Hey guys, Elle here with the Droning Company, and I'm with Kyle, DJI Solutions Engineer here at the Expo. Tell us a little bit about what you guys are doing today and what is this behind us?
Yes, so today we're partnered up with DSLRPros, one of our dealers, to be able to bring our entire DJI enterprise lineup. And with that, we're able to show off the new DJI dock and be able to start talking to people about how we've been able to get this dock onto a couple different job sites.
Cool, so what are some of the job sites where the DJI dock would be helpful in the enterprise world?
Sure, so anything that's going to be inspection oriented or even some mapping oriented, if we look at the actual drone that's on the inside of it, that's a Matrice 30T that has really good optical zoom as well as thermal inspection capabilities. So we're looking at energy companies, oil and gas, even rail or mapping and mining companies, and then also we get into public safety and security.
Got you. And is this compatible with multiple different drones, only DJI products, only a certain one of the DJI? What drones can use this dock?
Great question. The DJI dock in this version is with the Matrice 30 series only. So anything that's going to be more inspection focused is going to be really a home run with this drone.
Got you. And what does the dock do? Is it just a landing area, or tell me a little bit more about the benefits of having a dock?
Sure. So this solution, other than just housing it, is going to make completely autonomous operations. So the drone's going to obviously live in there. It's going to have heated and air-conditioned environment so that it can thrive safely. It also is going to be connected to the network. So you're going to have live streaming capabilities, as well as any media that it captures during flight. It's going to be able to come back home and land, and then download that media to the dock and upload it to the cloud. And so you can put it in whatever platform you would like. We also have on board rapid charging. So as the drone needs to get from 20% back up to 90% in 25 minutes, so that you can keep the drone in the air and keep that drone active.
Wow, that is awesome. What else is on the market, on the horizon for DJI that's pretty exciting? Maybe something else besides the dock if somebody's not looking to have these uses?
Sure. So one of the other big use cases that we have is mapping and 3D modeling, and that is really going to be more with our Mavic 3 Enterprise series. So with this, it's really the most scalable mapping solution that's on the market. You have a 4/3 inch sensor with a mechanical shutter for accurate mapping. You also have an RTK module on board, and at the price point that it's at, we're seeing this drone on a lot of different job sites.
Awesome. Now you guys are here with DSLR, so you said they're one of your distributors, so our viewers can go there to get your drones. Where else can they look you up online?
Sure. So we do have a website on the DJI Enterprise webpage that's going to be able to direct you to your closest dealer depending on where you live.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Kyle. I appreciate it.
Of course.